Ladies first.
What?
It appears we'll have one last hunt after all, Pick.
The train went by maybe two and a half hours ago.
This could be dangerous. We're on his turf now.
Thank you, gentlemen, for making yourselves available on such short notice. We are stalking an exceptional opponent. Truly a world-class trophy. The price for participating in this little excursion is $750,000 each. Should one of you be lucky enough to bring him down, I'll consider that hunter's account paid in full.
Shouldn't we be worried about alligators or something?
If it make you feel better. Yeah. Come on, keep going. It's still a long way to Uncle Douvee's place.
Well, at least they won't be able to find us out here.
Yes, they will. If they have a tracker as good as Uncle Douvee. All they have to do is to check along the railroad. I'm just guessing we have a couple of hours.
Okay.
Maybe less. Come on, let's go.
Isn't there a trail or something?
This is the trail.
You're really enjoying yourself, aren't you, Chance?
If it's tough for us, it's tough for them. You trust me?
Of course I trust you.
Close your eyes.
Why do you want me to trust you with my eyes closed?
Close your eyes.
Is it dead?
Not hardly.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving a surprise for my friends.
Son of a bitch!
If you would die quieter and pick up the pace, Boudreaux would have less time for these little surprises. Jerome! Would you be so kind?
And do watch your step, won't you? Let's go.
Slap the bear. Let's get to. Chance!
Yeah!
Chance! Tu n'as pas changé, Chance!
Toi non plus, Duvet.
Chance! You come to see your Uncle Douvee! Qu'est-ce que c'est ça?
Natasha, my Uncle Douvee.
Enchanté, mademoiselle. We fix him up good. Put bandage on it, no hurt. Be strong, my boy.
Duvet, I've got some people after me.
I know. I can smell them.
You've still got a 30-06, the one I gave you for your birthday?
No. A Gatorade. But, I still got your shotgun.